This tutorial will show you how to merge clips in Capcut PC online free video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step to merge video or video clips in Capcut PC. In this case, I have 3 video clips on the free Capcut PC timeline. We have video clip number 1, video clip number 2, and video clip number 3. Basically, I want to merge or combine all 3 of these videos. There's a couple ways to do this. You can click on one of your video clip and it's selected and highlighted, it's color white. Hold down Control and click on the second video clip. As you can see, both of them are selected and highlighted. Right click, and there's a couple different options. You can create a compound clip. And as you can see, you have successfully combined or merged your video clips in Capcut PC. Or a second way to do this is to right click and click group. Now basically, instead of having both of the clips merge into one, it is grouped, but you can still move it if you move it and drag it up and move it to the right. Or if you just prefer to click, select, and highlight both, right click and create compound group. As you can see, it's the exact same thing, completely for free.